With technology advancing, social engineering has become more sophisticated, utilizing AI, deepfakes, and big data analytics to deceive targets. Amir targets Arash Kazemi's company, gathering intelligence through social media analysis and AI-based behavior analysis. He creates a fake profile named Nima Rod, posing as a credible IT expert on LinkedIn. Amir connects with Arash, using deepfake video calls and phishing emails to establish trust. To exploit this trust, Amir sends a PDF contract containing malware disguised as a legitimate document. Layla Moradi detects suspicious activity and deploys AI systems to recognize anomalies. To combat these threats, organizations must enhance training, leverage AI security solutions, and implement strong authentication.